Are you thinking about trying CleanBoss? Maybe you've seen it pop up on Amazon, Walmart, or even their flashy official website. It claims to kill germs faster than your mom's toxic spray, but without all the scary chemicals and disclaimers. CleanBoss also says they've spent over 15 years developing a patented formula that uses a high concentration of thymol, a compound from thyme oil. Sounds impressive, right? They also offer laundry detergent sheets that double as a softener. No more lugging heavy jugs or dealing with messy pods. These sheets are supposedly made with naturally derived ingredients, lab-tested, and proven to remove tough stains. Their marketing is sleek, their social media is active across Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, and their website boasts glowing reviews averaging 4.7 to 4.9 stars. At first glance, everything screams legit. But when you dig a little deeper, especially into the reviews on platforms like Amazon, you start to notice a different story. Many customers have complained about an extremely strong, unpleasant odor. For a product that markets itself as natural and clean, that's a bit off-putting. Some even said the smell was so overwhelming they had to wash their hands repeatedly just to get rid of it, while others said the scent made their allergies flare up. Not exactly what you'd expect from a plant-based cleaner. Delivery and packaging also seem to be an issue. There are several reports of items arriving damaged, like broken sprayers, or not arriving at all. A few people said the product leaked in the box, or that the sprayer didn't even work after just a few uses, leaving them unable to test the product properly. And when it comes to their fruit and vegetable cleaner, one of their more unique offerings, customers were really disappointed. Some tested it on apples and vegetables to see if it would strip away wax and pesticides like advertised, but they noticed no difference at all. Several even said it performed no better than plain water. Even more concerning, the company doesn't provide clear contact details on their website, and their return policy is vague. That lack of transparency makes it harder for customers to get help when something goes wrong. And that's a red flag. So, is CleanBoss legit or a scam? I won't go as far as to call it a scam. It is sold on reputable platforms like Amazon and Walmart. But there are definitely some unanswered questions and inconsistent experiences. If you're still curious to try it, I'd recommend buying through Amazon or another commercial site with a solid return policy, just in case things don't go as planned.